Are you looking for a simple way to improve your health without spending a fortune? Well, look no further because today we're going to talk about a drink that could potentially change your life. Have you ever thought about how just one small change in your daily routine could have a huge impact on your overall well-being? This is where the power of this simple drink comes in. 1. The key ingredient of this magical drink: water. Yes, plain old water. Many of us underestimate the power of staying hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water can help with digestion, circulation, absorption of nutrients, and even weight loss. 2. Let's add a twist to this drink by infusing it with a slice of lemon. Lemon water is not just a trend, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and can help with digestion and detoxification. Plus, it's a refreshing way to start your day. 3. To take this drink to the next level, let's throw in a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. Adding turmeric to your lemon water can help reduce inflammation in the body and boost your immune system. 4. The final touch: a dash of honey. Not only does honey add a touch of sweetness to your drink, but it also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Honey can soothe a sore throat, improve digestion, and even help with allergies. 5. By combining these simple yet powerful ingredients, you can create a drink that not only tastes great but also has a multitude of health benefits. So why not give it a try and see how it can change your health for the better? Incorporating this simple drink into your daily routine could be the key to unlocking a healthier and happier you. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out and let us know how it has improved your health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results.